Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dagal, and in this video I'll show you how you can earn money online by using this spiral CPA marketing strategy. And I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along with me in this video and implement everything that I'm showing you here. So we are basically going to promote like a CPA offer where people just need to put their email address, and we'll get like $1 to $2 for each sign up. Okay, so this may seem little bit a little amount of money, but the method that I'm going to show you with this landing page, it will bring the traffic automatically itself. Okay, so you'll see how it works. So as you can see in the screen, complete the following 3 steps to enter the $750 giveaway. Confirm that you wish to participate in this $750 giveaway. Okay, so now people need to click on this next step. So this is the step 1. Okay, so in step 2, so they will get a task. Okay, you are almost done. Share this website on at least one of the following social media platform. Okay, like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. They need to share, okay, in order to take part in this giveaway. So click on this next step button. Okay, so once they share this, then they will click on this next step and they will reach at your congratulations, this is the last step. Press the button below to enter giveaway. Okay, and they will read here. Click on the enter now button to take part in $750 giveaway. Note, make sure to follow all the instructions to increase your chance of winning. Okay, now here you need to put your affiliate link. Okay, so in order to get your affiliate link, what you can do is I'll show you in 2 minutes. You can sign up to this CPA group, okay, which is a CPA network. So just search CPA group in Google and click on sign up now. Okay, I'll show you how you can sign up it in this platform in just 2 minutes. Okay, so if you already have a CPA group account, then you can just forward this video. If you don't have, then just see, you need an email address. Okay, so let me copy it. Okay, so let's wait for some minute. Okay, so you need to fill this form. Let me fill it. I'll quickly fill this form and be back again. So as you can see, I have already filled all the information that are essential at here. Okay, so once you fill all of this information, then simply click on register now. Oh sorry, I need to take this and click on register now. So now it's as simple as this to create a CPA group account. Okay, so let's click on this save. Okay, so here you can see how much people are earning. Okay, $26, $308. Lots of people making money in this platform, and you can too. Okay, so now we need a link to put at this. Now we are giving away $750 giveaway. Okay, there might be other offer like $1,000 giveaway, $500 giveaway. Simply come to offer tool and click on my offer. But before that, okay, just you need to confirm these. Okay, use this link to validate your account. Okay, firstly just validate your account in that way, and you can put your payment info at later time. Okay, after you make some commission, you can do it. You can must earn a minimum of $25 before participating in the public chat. Okay, before joining this chat you need to earn $25. Okay, similarly you can do these things. Now we'll go to our main point, that is offer. Okay, so I'm just confirmed, yes, confirmed our email address. So now let's go here. Okay, so you can select the country. Let's put United States, and let's wait for some time. Okay, so there are lots of offer. Now what you can do in all category, just see email and email/chip submit. Okay, only go with the offer that provide this email and zip submit. I mean, we need email only, not zip. Okay, so just see for act now for $750 PayPal gift card. Okay, so here's one offer that you can use. Here's another $500. Okay, you can change a text at this, and I'll tell you how you can get this lander also in few minutes. So let's click on this one, and this is going to be your affiliate link. Okay, just click on copy, and just click on copy, and now we need to put it at here. Okay, up to here I think you have understood. Now I'll show you how you can get this exact landing page that I'm using. And to get it, you can see a link in the description. Okay, I'll put the link, this link, this would be this link. Okay, you can simply, I'll also show you how you can create this system in System.io. So let's click on here, and you can see create your account now. Okay, now you can just put the email address. You don't need to pay to System.io if you don't want to use their other feature. We have just sent you an email with login details. Okay, so they have sent us, here is, now let's click on this confirmation link. So now you can create a password, suggest a strong password. So let's just create one. Okay, and now let's click on save. So it says password is too small. Let's create a big password then. And click on I am not a robot. Let's click on save. So now we have successfully created our System.io account for free. Okay, now let's reload it. You have exceeded the limit, it is saying. Okay, now if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade here. It is just $27 per month, but for this strategy you don't need to upgrade. Okay, now let's go to this dashboard. Sorry, not to dashboard, yeah, to main dashboard. And after going to main dashboard, there should be this funnel. Here is the funnels. Okay, just click on this funnels. So this funnel should already appear here, but if it didn't appear, then again what you can do is you can simply click the link in the description of this video again. Okay, and you can see you will get all of these funnels imported into your System.io account. Now once you do, there are two extra landing pages for affiliate marketing. Okay, simply now you can again go to funnels, and you can see there is affiliate landers. You can simply click on it, and you'll see these are two extra lander. If you don't need this, you can delete it. You can see it. Okay, just preview and watch this, what these landers are. But this is the landing page, and it should be in this order. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, don't pull this up in this way. Okay, just make this step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so if you check this step 1 here, then it is the same landing page that I have shown you at here previously. Okay, now if you click on next step, then this will go to step 2, step 3. Okay, so let's click on it. So it went to step 2 and it went to step 3. Now here is the place where we need to put our link that we have brought from CPA Grip. Okay, so now you can simply go to here and click on this pencil icon, edit, and then now here we need to put our link. So let's copy this link again and go here and click on this setting button. Okay, open URL, let's paste it at here, open link in same window. Okay, and click on save. So now once you create your own System.io account, okay, then you will also get an opportunity to put your share funnel link at here. Okay, to do so, what you need to do is you need to open system. You need to open your System.io account. Okay, it is saying sign in. Let's sign in. Okay, and again you need to go to this funnels, and here is the button of share funnel. Okay, just click on this share funnel. Now copy link. Now whenever someone sign ups to system AI through that link, you will that person will be under in your affiliate. Okay, affiliate link, under your affiliate link, and you will be eligible to get that commission. So if you come here in affiliate dashboard, then whenever someone sign up, you will see everything at here, and you can earn up to 40% lifetime commission. Okay, so now you can simply change this link by going to this editor. So we have kept our CPA link here, and you can put your share funnel link. Just delete that would be my share funnel link. Simply paste that link and click on this save. Okay, so, and you're done. Okay, so now if you see, when you promote this affiliate page, this page, and what happens is, some people who don't know what these things are, and they're just there to enter in this giveaway. Okay, but some people are CPA marketer, affiliate marketer, and if they see, if you need this landing page for CPA purpose, then you can click on here and create a free account in system AI to import this landing page directly to your system AI free account. Okay, then they will click on here and they may create that system AI account, and you can get credited for the commission if they upgrade in future. Okay, for that purpose you can put that link. Now you can again change all of this link in this to in second step. In second step also you can go and change the link at here. Just click on here and delete this. Okay, and paste this and click on this save. Okay, and click on save changes and go to this. Again you can do same thing in this step 1 also. Let's edit it. Delete and put your affiliate link at here. Let's click on save changes. So now basically you are promoting 2 affiliate product at once by using this viral copy paste landing page. So now what happens, now your everything is ready. Now what you need to do is, you need to fill this landing page with some initial traffic. Okay, so to fill this with initial traffic, what you can do is, you can join various make money online pages in Facebook, because we have a share button for Facebook. So if people who enter to our landing page would see that, then they are most likely to share in Facebook. Okay, so you can join various group. Not all group will allow you to share your link. Okay, so the link that you are going to share would be this one. Okay, in step 1 this would be the link. Okay, you can edit this link like one. You can make this one in this way. Okay, and you can simply copy it. Okay, and paste it, and after slash give one. Okay, and this will be your landing page link, and you can see it will be like this. Now whenever someone comes, they will click on here, so this badge will appear. Okay, if you are using a free account of system AI, then this badge will of course appear at here. If you click on here, and once they click here, they will go to the offer that we brought from CPA group. Okay, you can use any offer, just you need to change things that are in here. Okay, like in case of $750 giveaway, we can write $500 giveaway. Okay, so now you can simply join various Facebook groups. Okay, for make money online, earn money online. Okay, there will be lots of people who know about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and they may be interested in this landing page, and they may create a free account in system AI, and you may get commission. And if someone new people who come here and they will visit to this landing page, then they may share your landing page. Okay, with your link they may share, and because this is a task, okay, to enter in $750 giveaway, they must complete this task, and most people are going to complete this task, and you are going to get more people coming to your this page. Okay, and you can keep on repeating this process. And if you want more traffic, like, what you can do is you can go to Instagram, okay, and see lots of pages at their Instagram pages that have huge amount of followers, and then ask them how much they would take for promoting your this landing page. Okay, and you can provide them an image, okay, by finding either on Google or for giveaways, or maybe you can create some image in Canva by seeing simple tutorials on YouTube. You can do that Instagram story template, that kind of things you can create, and give away the 750, and tell those pages to share your this landing page in their stories, so that people can visit to it. Okay, and then once people visit here, and they will start to share, and they will start to take part in this uh, offer that you are promoting from CPA Grip, or you can also get maximum amount of sign up to this system app platform and earn up to 40% commission. So you can use this viral copy and paste CPA marketing strategy to promote this CPA offers from CPA Grip. Okay, you can also use other platform like Max Bounty or Big Bang Ads. I think that kind of platform you can use for this kind of offer of email submit, zip submit. Okay, so guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section below. And take care, have a great day. Bye bye.